Hi and welcome to What Circuit. I'm David, Charles doing the filming today, and today we're up at Lancashire Cricket Club and we're at the Motiv8 forums once again, talk to some really interesting companies. Harvey's who actually runs it is going to tell us a bit about it.
Yeah, thank you, David. We run technical forums for engineers around the UK here in Manchester today at Emirates The Point and also in Cambridge and in Oxford. They're free events for engineers, design, technical engineers, electronics engineers to attend.
Talking to Kevin from AR UK. Can you tell us a bit about what you do?
Okay, David. Well, first of all, just to give you a little bit of a history of the company, we've actually been established for 25 years now this year. We were formed in April 1990, and the company was put together by a guy who is our owner, whose name is Donald Shepherd, and he actually owns AR worldwide. We were put together as a service and sales organisation to support the AR products throughout England. In the last 25 years, we've gone through a few changes. In 2007, we had a name change from EMV, which was the original name of the company, to AR UK. At the same time, we also became a part of a group of companies all owned by AR Worldwide called AR Europe. Those companies are AR UK, AR France, AR Benelux and AR Germany, and that's where we're at today with the company. Initially we were there purely for the EMC market, but over the years we have actually increased our representation by taking on third parties, loosely related to EMC but related heavily to our original customer base. And one of the reasons for exhibiting here at this conference is to increase the profile of those third-party suppliers that we represent throughout the UK and in some cases throughout Europe as well.
So what companies do you represent?
Okay, so if we look at the backdrops behind us, we have some very long established relationships, one of them being Associated Research. Their product line is electrical safety testers, which is obviously used for CE testing. They are in the military market, the automotive market, medical market, and, for example, white good manufacturing markets as well. They have product that ranges from the top of the range, which is a fully automated 7-in-1 unit, down to single units, which are just single AC/DC high-pop type testers. More recently, we've taken on companies such as Dana DC Power Supplies and DC Electronic Loads, an Italian-based company. Their DC power supplies are linear-based, so high accuracy, low noise and ripple, etc.
Yeah.
Also for AC power supplies, we represent Associated Power Technologies, and their supplies are single-phase or three-phase up to 6 kVA, and their single-phase units are modular, so they can be paralleled in series depending on whether you want to increase voltage or current. We have recently, in the last 12 months, started representing Teledyne LaCroix in the test and measurement market sectors for their mid to low base range of oscilloscopes. The main interest for us is their HDL 4000 series and their new Wavesurfer 3000 series of oscilloscopes. The other product that we have here is Zimmer. They're a brand new company to us. We've recently started to represent them here in the UK, and their product line is high accuracy, high precision power analyzers. A German company, and we're hoping to build that business and go far in the future with that. And finally, Aero Environment, which are high power DC cycling stations, which can be used to emulate batteries or drivetrains. So they obviously are very interested for people that are in the hybrid vehicle market, and that may be trains, buses, ships, whatever, wherever there is a hybrid battery vehicle requirement.
Yeah, really good range of kit there. So you're talking about, I'm presuming some of the loads and supplies, the battery emulators. Obviously, battery, that's more sort of R&D side, and then presumably you've got a strong background supplying kit to testing labs as well if you're coming from the EMC side.
Yeah, absolutely. From the AMC side, we deal with all the major test houses. We deal with all the major military and aerospace people as well. With the battery emulators for the likes of Air Environment, yes, a lot of it is R&D, but it's also commercial, the production side as well, that these products go into. And with Air Environment, we actually represent them throughout Europe, so we are supplying their product in France, Germany, etc. as well.
Excellent, that's a really good range of products. Thanks for talking to us today.